Hello, everybody out there in recording. This is downtown 320, and as you see, snowstorm hit New York City. And cars and everything is running a little bit slow. It's about 6 inches, not that much. In other places, I think it's about either 7 or 8 or 9. Either like Long Island or New Jersey. So it's more deep. But over here, there's a truck going by. And where am I? I'm over here in Amsterdam. That's Martin Luther King School right there. Martin Luther King High School. And that's LaGuardia School of the Arts, the famous School of the Arts. It's freezing out here. I'm holding this, so I haven't been recording lately. Some places are closed, some places are open. Right down there, they're doing a little bit of shoveling and cleaning the snow right down there. And people are walking carefully. A woman just fell right down there. I had helped her up. That was like a security guard car right there. They didn't even help that lady. It's kind of messed up. This stuff is gonna be really disgusting when it gets dirty, garbage, dog urine. As you see, you got 2 cop cars there patrolling. Traffic is moving slowly. I haven't been making any videos lately. Last videos I made was like in Central Park. That was back in the springtime. Since it's winter, I figured, what the heck, I'll record here. Right across the library right here. I'm freezing my ass off over here. Way up there, that's 72nd. This over here used to be the Red Cross building. Sadly, that's gone. They built a high-rise up here. Check out that high-rise. And my fingers are freezing like fuck. Sorry, excuse my language, but it is freezing out here. I'm about to go to the deli and get something to eat, and it is really freezing. Well, anyways, this is downtown 320. Recording, basically winter time. It's January the 3rd, 2014. Excuse me if I'm stuttering and not talking right, because it is freezing. I'm like chitter-chattering over here. We're right over there. You see that? There's people over there shoveling the snow over there by the school. Guy right there on the bike. Traffic is moving a little slowly, but surely it's moving. You see the cars and trucks moving a little slow. They haven't cleaned this area too good. They did shovel over here, the sanitation truck. They're supposed to put salt over here. Salt or sand. Whatever the heck they put nowadays. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to walk a little bit further down. As you see, I am wearing boots. I'm not stupid to walk out of the house with sneakers. Sneakers, I'm going to be slipping and sliding and falling on my ass. Let's walk further down. Lincoln Center is right here. This is like the back of Lincoln Center, if you think. It's a nice view. They did a good job cleaning this sidewalk. Look at this over here. I could go to Central Park, but it's fucking freezing, and there's a lot of snow up there. There's a guy with a shovel right over there. He's going to be shoveling his car, or one of the workers over there in Lincoln Center. And there's the sign right there. Amsterdam, West 5th Street. Wow, it is freezing. I'm gonna have to shut this off. The wind is blowing like crazy and my fingers are it's turning to icicles. I can feel them freezing. So this stuff gets dirty. It's not a pretty sight when this stuff gets dirty. There's a guy shoveling right over there. He's one of the workers. And there goes the popo. They're patrolling the area. There's some people. Whoa, look at that. It's snowing ice right now. The heavy stuff came down like last night during the morning. Now it's snowing ice. It's not a bad view over here. Look at this. People walking across the street. This is like the back of Lincoln Center over here. And that's LaGuardia School of the Arts. And there goes the popo patrolling the area. There's a guy shoveling snow. And people are going to work because they're walking this way. They did a good job. This part over here, they did a good job shoveling this area. They must have used like heavy machinery. This lady's running. And there goes the popo patrolling over here. There goes her running. Run! She must be late. Look at her run her ass. Look at that. You just heard her curse. She said, oh shit. But there's gonna be like other videos on YouTube. Okay, look at her run. Run, 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 Sally, run. I don't know her name, but you know. People crossing the street over here. Guys shoveling, still shoveling. People are going across the street to work. And the cops are patrolling the area, making sure everything is alright. They already put sand over here, or whatever the heck this is. Artificial sand or salt, whatever the heck this is. But when this stuff gets dirty, it looks disgusting though. I'll give you an example. Look at right here. Check out that. Is that disgusting or what? It's already black and from the cars, exhaust and pollution and that shit. Sorry I cursed again. But I'm going to end this broadcast because I'm freezing and I'm hungry and I want to go to the deli and get something to eat. This is Downtown 320 signing off. This is January 3rd, 2014. And this winter blizzard hit New York City. And ending broadcast.